Okay, so last day of the trading week, and just want to go over a couple plays. We have one insane spiker from when did it close? Where did it close at? One second. I guess I'm started. Just look right here, 258. High day 18.8. So we had an absolute parabolic play. This one I only got a partial fill. Not excuse me, starter. Um, but in hindsight, it's all I needed. But in the moment, I was really just waiting for it to consolidate and rip up. Just give it some more time to consolidate. I just thought it was a bit fast. I did take my starter because it was holding, and I did see the volume. It just came back. We got a little volume perk here, dipped a little bit, but then we came right back here, and from there on out, it was just insane volume. It was. Let me just go over the multi-day. It was really combining patterns. So we have a breakout on the yearly chart, daily chart for, to go back to, it was in the early prices. Yeah, we're talking about 5-year breakout. Now, yeah, it just keeps heading. Let me see the 18 level. Yeah, so now we got to 7-year highs. Insane. Absolutely insane. But yeah, so lesson in this, really just combining patterns. So you have that breakout level, you got the previous high daybreak in the 450s. You have a breakout level in the 420s. So this just beautiful high daybreak pattern here. Honestly wish I kind of played that. I didn't see it. Let me check out the float too. Shocked it's 30 million. The way this thing moves, insane. But it does have the volume. So regardless, here we go. We got that high daybreak. We got the confirmation and test of the 420 breakout level, and the 450-ish. So really just in this area, general area right here, consolidated around. You got 3 key levels. You got the high day break and 2 breakout levels, all in this general area. And when that volume comes right back, good time to consider a start. I see that's the thing that's hard with this thing. Who knows it's gonna really take off like this until you see it afterwards. In the moment, let me zoom in here. Okay, before it takes off, yeah, you get a test right here of 4. Um, it really just rips back up. I got my fill at 438 when I saw the volume come in, and it was never down. It just took off. So not really much to say besides I wish it didn't take off so fast. I could have got some more shares in there. Um, but yeah, you got 3 solid breakouts all lined up, intraday, previous day, and multi-year. What the volume is doing in the sector that it's in on a Friday, this is definitely, in hindsight, expected. But it was probably going to be a good mover without a doubt. Um, yeah, it just held up. The volume kept coming in. Nothing else to really say. It was quite simple, honestly. There wasn't much thinking to it, especially when it takes off. You're not trying to go through pullbacks and try to just be patient. It just really just keeps on going. Um, so yeah, that was that. That invited MTSL, which was a information tech sector play. It's a low floater, and I honestly took it here after hours in this consolidation. I know it was a breakout around that level in the high fives or mid fives, sorry. Um, yeah, so I really just took this quick dollar a share and did not look back. I think it will gap up. We'll see what it could do here. We got a breakout. Yeah, this thing could be nice. We'll see what momentum it gets. It just really needs volume. Does look choppy. But yeah, so really not much today. There's really like 3 plays. I really just wanted right now to go over SGOC, and I'll go over the whole week and day in another video lesson. But right now, I just want to go over this parabolic mover. Now that it's over and done with, say you missed it, don't worry. Now that it spiked this much, we're just going to wait for a multi-day bounce. So after it puts in a red day, does some fading. Once we get that break over a morning high, whatever the high is on that day, it's going to be a nice buy. And yeah, I think that's kind of it. Really, just key levels, volume, price action. It's really the simplest thing ever. It's all put into play on this play right here. So yeah, that's SGOC for a Friday short squeeze.